Schools and teachers are really working hard for the students. Let's make it a fun. Instead of drawing shapes on the board or showing them the simple pictures, we can make it more interesting. We can cut different shapes and we can make a view or a scenery that will make it more interesting rather than looking at one boring scene, triangle, square, or an oval. I have made a scenery. Let's have a look. There are triangles, ovals, circles, rectangles, and different shapes. You can create your own idea. Teachers, only you can make this difference. Let's go for it. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll keep sharing more interesting videos with you.